Good evening, Nancy. So this is English for Everyone, English Vocabulary Builder. It's a nice book because it's not just purely vocabulary, it's not just a dictionary. They give you exercises and they can talk about a lot of stuff. Very nice. I'm going to zoom out because I'm not going to see everything. We can go through that, of course, but we didn't do that today because I thought it would be too simple for you. So we can go back to this kind of stuff as well. Okay. So anyway, we did this. Let me zoom in. And ideally, when you learn vocabulary, you need to be able to make sentences. That means you understand the context. To be nice, to have a nice behavior. He is a nice guy. Fun. It was fun. It was a fun party. Okay. It was fun going there. She's fun. Lovely. It was a lovely hike or walk or lovely afternoon. Delicious, very good, yummy, exciting. It was an exciting game. Stunning is like amazing, like very impressive. Magnificent is beautiful. Beautiful, magnificent, the same. Pretty. Graceful, to have graceful manners, you walk well, you speak well, etc. The opposite will be vulgar. Special, like a special dance or a special concert or a special show. Respectable, to have respect towards this person. Interesting, it's like it's interesting. You don't really know what to say. Many Americans will use this expression to say, it's interesting, because they don't want to criticize it. Interesting. Thrilling, like exciting. Pleasant, it's nice, It's pleasant. It's still soft, I would say. Useful, practical. Important. We know the meaning of important. Relaxing, you can chill out. Harmless. Harmless cannot cause any harm, cannot hurt you. Disgusting, that's horrible. And boring, it's we have another word, it's dull, D-U-L-L, like it's boring as well. I remember having this student in Mexico, and she was using dull everywhere. I was like, do you really understand the meaning of this word? She was like, oh yeah, dull, it's like stupid or something. I was like, no, it's just boring, it's different. Strange, odd, bizarre, ugly, not pretty, horrible. It's a horrible behavior to break people's things. Annoying. It can be, it's frustrating, it's annoying. But we can also say a person can be annoying. Irritating is when you have a fly keep coming around you and you're like, it's annoying as well. And irritating. Shocking. It's so pricey, it's so expensive. Frightening, that makes you scared. Nasty. To have a nasty behavior is like not a nice behavior. Can be nasty, it can be also dirty. You can have a dirty behavior and you can also be physically dirty. Old-fashioned, old school, you wear old-fashioned clothes. Unpleasant, nasty as well, stinky. Disastrous. Disastrous is like, oh my God, this is a nightmare. How am I supposed to repair that now? I don't know what to do. I'm going to have water everywhere. Useless, like you don't know how to make things. Okay. Confusing. It's a bit hard, challenging, confusing, it's a mess. And tiring, well, lots of effort. Okay. There is actually the sound. I have the sound for that. I don't know if... let me check quickly. There's so many things. So it's called English for Everyone. And so, of course, we have some exercises on this book because it's to help people to learn you know, how to learn the adjectives, the vocabulary, etc. So let's see if I can find this stuff, otherwise it's going to take too long. Hold on. You can see I have different folders: English for Everyone, Vocabulary Builder, audio. And here we have number 6, 6.1. So let's see, 6.1. I don't know what to expect, because we have everything here. I don't know if it's just how to pronounce everything. I'm pretty sure it's about that. So yeah, we don't really need this. Okay, so but anyway, next we have remarkable, extraordinary, breathtaking, it's taking your breath away, outstanding, wonderful, fantastic, amazing, great, superb, brilliant, incredible, like everything is ultra good. And on the opposite we have awful, mediocre, disappointing, terrible. Okay, so that is a nice book actually. And so after we have, you know, positive adjectives. So we have a list here: fantastic, it can be breathtaking, incredible, fun, amazing, exciting. Okay, so fantastic is done. We need 5 more. So it can be breathtaking, incredible, amazing, exciting, and fun. On the opposite side, the negative, awful, would be disastrous, annoying, nasty, disgusting, terrible. And we need to find all the words here: horrible, magnificent, wonderful, disappointing, outstanding, respectable, delicious, special, pretty. Okay. And shocking, irritating, thrilling, frightening, graceful, old-fashioned. Okay, there's an audio for that. So 6.7. Let's see if I can. 6.7. I did the one. I'm gonna open it. I hope it's not gonna open iTunes. Should be VLC, which is faster. So hold on. Well, it's tiring, nasty, boring, important, harmless, relaxing. So nothing really complex.
Tiring.
So tiring is here. So it's just one short audio file, so it's not really nothing complex, but we can guess pretty easily. We have find 5 more words. So delicious is this one. This one was ugly. So what we do is to find the U. Ugly is here. Stunning. So ST. We don't have it here. Stunning is right here. Useless. So we also have beautiful here, but it's just one L. Useless is here. Respectable, you know, and useless. What do I see? Useless. Useless is right here. Okay, stunning. That was stunning. I was looking for, and stunning is here. Okay, so not too difficult, you know, but that's a great way to learn vocabulary. Okay, and Q skill. Coming back to this stuff. So I have the tracks, so it's not that complicated. But what we can do is, you know, they are like talking about a book. I would say, you know, we don't necessarily have to do it, but we can do this one, the critical thinking, which is page 11. Okay, listen for details. So it's also connected to page 10. And it's related to the vocabulary we did the last time, you know, to snap decisions, stuff like that. Okay, so listen to the book review, circle the answer that best completes each statement according to what the critic says. So we're going to do that. Okay, But anyway, I'll leave you alone. You have a nice evening, and I'll talk to you tomorrow morning at 9. So we're going to do 2 things, okay? Vocabulary and this one. I hope it's going to help you. You take care, Nancy, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.